Don't miss this 2009 Porsche 911. Is equipped with manual transmission and features a cream white exterior. With 4461 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.